Box cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to a brand new Do Road with Dutty. But then at St. Elizabeth at Maggotty High School. But they talk about them all together sing. So let's go and check out the place, alright? Take care. But they are Maggotty High. Some people want to talk about the Lisa Hannah or something. I'm not going to talk about it. Lisa Hannah, big up yourself. Vibes Kartel, big up yourself. Gaza for life. Oh.
No, you know, say it's a wicked. Why you not come with the camera, you know, right there? It's not done yet, I don't even know what it look like yet.
There we go, sue me, okay?
I'm going to call my Insta TVJ and try to get you on a real phone. Alright? Here's a Keisha, still at team close off a line.
Keisha, Keisha take a perfect dress. And a dance picture Miss Keisha man. Look here, Keisha not pay me rent. Keisha not pay me bills. Keisha not pay me bills. Keisha cannot be here.
Girl over here, so real hot girl. Oh, she not hot. Okay, you right there, so the both side. Come here. Come here. What's your name? See somebody tell you say foot green, you can't bump it. Now man, this side, you want to see which side actually I eat good food. Let me try over here, so. This side, yeah? Season already. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry. I'm there at Maggotty High. What did I say? My sentence.
My paragraph, my essay.
So.
Somebody just done stepping from the stage. Look how the people them come to me. Minion. I think I want to step in a half a tree like this. I just want to walk around a half a tree like this. I would just try this. I'm here to the bad people, them the trainer them.
Yeah, the wickedest thing. What a calamity when you no show no pity when me lift it up and the people that run in the city, yo. Me up on the wall over there so you go fall them at the start. Feel about the father catch a heart attack. The heart of one got it. No, me never left this job. If you think say I joke, then check me up, son. A boy violate a man come say no black man. You come out the office.
That's actually a one, you know.
Where you know about badness?
Now pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Quick question, important question. Alkaline or Kartel?
None of them.
Straight Kartel.
Alright, watch out now. We respect Kartel, but as part of the team there.
Okay. Where's Alkaline or Kartel?
Straight Kartel.
Okay.
I didn't say.
Huh?
Where's
Alkaline or Kartel?
Well, I'm not saying on Stefflon. Kartel. Me say Kimisha McLean. Shana Spontaneous Ellis, follow me on Facebook.
No one way anyone was Spontaneous.
Shana Spontaneous Ellis, follow me on Facebook.
Okay.
Yo. When me say Dutty, Berry, girls want to squeeze pan them lips like them a cherry. Me say Dutty.
Pull up, me go teeth it. Me literally go teeth that. I'm going to make my new intro for my video them. Me go teeth it, just voice the song and that's it.
I can't voice it.
You can't sing? I think somebody on Maggotty can sing. Wait, you want to choir?
Sing right here.
Oh, sing one little song. Sing one little song. Sing one little song. Come on. Freestyle one little song. Go there, girl.
I'll be one if you want me to.
Pull up, you now come show me for mine. You now come show me up.
Like me, yo, I saw, say you can't tell me my name. Bang bang, I'm full of the
That was verse.
Bang bang, I'm the cigarettes in the pictures and reviews. Some people look like them when they think around. Bang bang, I'm full of the way you wine. We not gonna move when you go, we not listen to the line of me say. Bang bang, I'm full of the way you move. The way you know, the way you move. So let's do some business. We're done with pleasure. Time is money, so tell me what's the measure. Tell me.
Alright, yeah, welcome, Berry.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
Good to have you at Maggotty High School, man.
Yes.
Anna, and you look like you stir up problems on this one.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. Minus this. That yeah, one of the children, and my face can't move. Hopefully, it can get washed out.
Yeah, well, the students excited to have you because especially the little term we using now together sing. Maggotty Berry.
Maggotty
Yeah,
Berry.
that one they did really take out. Yeah. But good to see you, man, and good to have you this side of the world.
Oh, I saw. Can I move with this? This
Yeah, man.
is the second place.
$450.
The second. Thank
Oh,
you.
we had it right over
Thank you.
to
Just
so we have $450 that we get for all together sing.
Why, oh
to
boy.
Berry.
The Lord isn't that good.
Yeah, $450. Just say you. Thank you for coming.
People, that's why I must come to Maggotty.
Hey,
They
Maggotty
never
High School.
know. They never know when I leave. You come here with $2 in my name. And look at this.
Yeah,
$450. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Best principal in the world.
Yeah, man. Alright, that's
Big
it.
up her.
Yeah, this way.
Oh gosh, rich!
Rich, really rich.
That's it for the road with Dutty at Maggotty High. What if it's a high school? That's what you say. Come it again. Well, that's it for the road with DuttyBerry at
Maggotty High School.
And see some of the girls I'm here from the choir. I'm here some of Mr. I'm here some of Mr. Rukumba performance. I feel bad. I feel bad, but it's over. Me watch it back. Wait, who that? Oh, that done so. You know, some woman in one bow tie and one outfit.
Oh, it's a student.
It's a student? Yeah. Alright, I'm going. Alright, take care of your nice meeting.
This long time, girl, me never see you. Come let me hold your hand. It is a long time, girl, me never see you.
Catch the outfit.
Come let me hold
Go all
your
out.
hand.
What? What? No one show me. Come in the line. Come here, try to show off your outfit. Not the line. Look on the outfit. Why she extra more than everybody else? Watch it all bow tie. Look at that. Jamaican Empress. What's your name? Brittany Powell. Big up yourself. You look nice. I like it. Go all out. You make it or you have somebody do it for you? Alright, big up yourself, man.